Traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. First of all, I have to say and recommend you to get my free ebook. Yes, you find it in the description. There is a link. You can download it without any registration or anything. Get this ebook so you understand price action and how I trade with rejections. Maybe I'm gonna do some more videos about rejection because I got the information that a lot of people also in the Facebook group are not understanding the rejection, the proper rejection, and I'm gonna make some more videos about this soon. But first of all, I have to discuss a few strategies, and in this video I'm gonna discuss the strategy. It's called the double Bollinger Band strategy, and I have traded also a long time with this, yes, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the indicators. So we're gonna set up here the 20 period 1 deviation, yes, Bollinger Band. The upper line is green, the lower line is yellow, and the middle line is white. And then we set up here another Bollinger Band. This is why it's called the double Bollinger Band. Yes, it's a 20 period, the 10 period, 2 deviation. The upper is green and the lower is yellow, and the middle is white. So these are the two Bollinger Bands. And why we are putting here two Bollinger Bands, it's easy to demonstrate, because where those yellow lines are crossing, that are the both lower lines, yes, is a support and resistance area. Yes, here, here, yes, and here. And also where the green lines are crossing, yes, is also a support and resistance area. That means here, yes. So, and now we are going, you see, we have got a rejection here from this lower support and resistance area, yes. And now we are heading up to this support and resistance area here, yes. Obviously, you have to imagine that this is an area. That means you can say from this level here, maybe, yes, from this level to this level here, yes. But I don't draw all, I draw only the most important part, I would say, still this, yes. But this would be, the answer would be so much, I let it only this, where it crosses, so I know that we are near to this level. So, okay, let's see how we can do, and then obviously combined with price action. So we here is no, here is another area, maybe, yes, but I will trade only those where the lines has crossed already, yes. So we have another one here, and I'm gonna show you now some trades, how to get this done, okay? So you have to use price action. This is the reason why I tell you to get this ebook from the description. And now we are going to see how to trade those support and resistance level, which the double Bollinger Band strategy is offering us. Yes. So let me see what is going on. I can show you again the setup here. One is 20 with deviation 1, and the other is 10 with a deviation 2. Okay. So let's see what is going on. I would say I do a put here. Yes, I'm going to do a put now because of based of price action. Yes, and because this is a shooting star here. Yes, this is a shooting star at this major key level. Here is nothing in between, and that's the reason why I did a put. The next level is here or here. Yes, and you see it's going down and got rejected from this area here. You see, from this support area. Yes, and to see how it's working. Yes, so let's see what is going on here on the next candle, and then I'm going to show you a trade on this support and resistance levels. Yes, you see how it's got rejected, and I would say if I get another rejection from this level, I'm going to do a call. Yes. Also, if the Bollinger Bands are heading down, it's what I would do a call here, but I don't get a rejection. I want a rejection from this support level, but there is no rejection at the moment, so I don't do any call or any put. Yes, and maybe there will be soon here another crossing of those Bollinger Bands and indicating another support and resistance level. Maybe here is also one. This where the white lines are crossing. Yes, it's also some kind of support and resistance. So let me see. Okay. So here this was a little bit too risky for me. Also because the Bollinger Bands, middle Bollinger Band is quite. It's quite ranging here, yes, so it's a little bit difficult to distinguish what is going on. So we got this support and resistance area here, yes, but we are heading down maybe. So let me see. This candlestick will tell me that we are going up, yes. So I'm gonna do a call here as soon as I get a better entry point. I need a better entry point. This is too risky at the moment. There is nothing to do. It was too risky because I want some entry point here below this level, yes. So I had done it, but this was a little bit too risky. So let's see what is going on here. We're going to touch the next, again, this resistance area here, yes, and to see how it's react, yes, to see how it's react, and maybe I'm going to do a put. But the expiry time is not nice. We have to, purchase time is not nice. We have to wait. On the next rejection, okay, so I'm going to do a call now. Okay, I'm going to do a call now because those two here are telling me that we are going into an uptrend, yes, and this rejection here is telling me also that we are going up, yes, and this is the reason why I did a call. And obviously there is this kind of resistance level, but it was already, you see, it was used a lot of time, so I'm pretty much sure that this will be in the money. But you see how price reacts with these levels, yes, you see here is a rejection, here was a fake breakout, yes, and this is because of the support and resistance levels. So you can distinguish good and bad support and resistance levels, yes, only by looking for Bollinger Bands, yes, crossing of Bollinger Bands. Here we are getting another cross of the Bollinger Bands, yes, this is here. So so this area got a little bit higher, and I'm gonna do a put now. If I see some kind of rejection here, yes, because of this candle looks like okay, this looks really bullish, yes, but there is no rejection, so it might be go up further, yes. So let's wait what will happen in here. So we have broken this support and resistance level here, yes, and now we can trade a call option after it's going to touch it again, yes, if it stays there, yes. But you see, it happened all in the last few seconds of the purchase time, yes, and that is really risky. But you see how price reacts on those, yes. Now I'm going to do a put on this, yes. Okay, I'm going to do a put because I saw the rejection of this level. And you see, this is how you can trade the double Bollinger strategy, yes, with support and resistance. And the nice thing on this is you can use price action on this strategy too. It's not a lagging indicator; it's a real time stuff. Yes, you see, I have drawn this support and resistance level a few seconds ago. Yes, and it's still immediately this before this candle I was drawing it, and it's working like a charm. Yes, it's really amazing how this strategy is working. This is a double Bollinger strategy. Yes, and I like this strategy a lot. The only problem is that if you are putting some EMAs on this, yes, you don't understand nothing anymore. But if you are using price action and support and resistance, this is a really good strategy. So I would say this was enough, yes, for the moment. So let's see if this will be hold. You see now it's going to break this support and resistance level. So I would say if you like this video, do a like. If you doesn't subscribe, do subscribe. And if you have anything to say, let me there a comment. Look here, yes. how it reacts on this level here, yes? And here you see a rejection from this level here, from this support and resistance level, yes? Obviously some kind of risky because we are going into an uptrend and you have to be carefully. But if the next candle got a rejection from this level too, you can go easily on the put, yes? Okay, so I would say this was enough. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye. You see, it's going down now. I'm going to do a put now. If I got the rejection. Okay, I'm going to do a put now because I saw the rejection. And this will be the last trade before I'm going to finish this video. And here you could see how nice this area here is working, yes. This area where the bubble Bollinger Band are crossing are really nice, yes. And here again the setup 20 and deviation 1 and 10 deviation 2, yes. This is the ratio, and then you get those nice Bollinger Band crossing lines, yes. Like this one, for example, here too. This here, you see the area is getting greater. This is a really good area here because here the Bollinger Bands are for more than one candle on the same line, yes. Here you see this here it's a really nice crossing and a really strong support and resistance level. Okay, good. I would say stay safe and bye-bye.